Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm happy to have you here today, so thank you for that. And I got something very exciting in the mail. I don't know if you guys recognize this. It's a pink and green box with stars, question marks. What does that mean? It means a Jeffree Star haul, and this is a mystery box from Jeffree Star. I guess, anyway, just came across it. I don't know if it's their summer box or what it is, but I did pay $100 for it, but we will get a palette in here and several other items. So I have no idea what's in here though, so I will be surprised with you guys as we go through it. So let's get to it and see what we got here. Okay. All right, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. If you want to support my channel, you can do so by subscribing, hitting the like button, leave me a comment. All those things are appreciated. I do reply to my comments. And we got our little card in here that's talking about their Cowgirl Queen Artistry Palette. You know, we're seeing cowboy everywhere, cowboy, cowgirl. Anyway, so that's the card. And look how fun this paper is. I have to show you. We'll just open this up together. So there's that. And now we got pink. Then we've got something here. And then we've got a bunch of things, looks like wrapped up in here. And the main thing about the palette, these palettes were advertised. They're advertised with some special edition mirrors. Some of Jeffree's special edition mirrors. And this is a travel hand mirror, and the one I got was, it's shaped like a butcher knife, but I just thought this was really fun and different. Okay, so I got the butcher knife, the iridescent. I like the iridescent color. They had three choices. They had a pink one and a green one, which were like a standard mirror, and I just thought since this was different, it's kind of a nice mirror, just handheld, whatever. So there's that. It's very clear. I could see how it could help put on makeup or whatever. So that's the first thing I'm sharing. And by the way, it's not sharp. It's not sharp. So anyway, it's just the look. And so let's get into this first thing on top here. This right here. Now I know all the boxes were different depending on what mirror you picked. So this one here is, it says Guilty Nectar is the color, and it is a Skin Frost highlighting blush. So there it is. It's quite big. So let's look at it and what's it. Okay, so I see it's got pinks in it, and I can see why they call it a highlighting blush. I'm gonna just try a little bit on the middle of my nose. Okay, it's definitely got highlight to it. Let me try it on my right here. My makeup look today is courtesy of my last 2 months of BoxyCharm and Allure. I just did a try-on video with some of my new products I just received, but I didn't really love the highlighter I used, so I'm going to see if I can update this. I'm not loving this exactly either. I like the look of it. I think the pink in there is really fun. And sometimes I like to put a little pink on my nose right here. But it seems to just be highlighting it. So try to get that pink right there. Anyway, so there's the first thing. That was fun. And the next thing I'm going to pull out here, I've got this bag full of goodies. Okay, it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And so the first item, I might need my glasses for some of these. The first item is, this is a Wyoming Winter Lip Oil. So I'm excited about that. This gets awful cold in Wyoming in the winter. So let's see, it looks blue packaging, which makes sense, and it's just a blue lip oil. I like that. I love lip oils. That's really fun. I like the packaging with Jeffree Star, so that's a fun item to get. And the next thing I have here is, this is Lip Arousal is what it says. And this is, let's see if it says anything else about it. It's got peptides for fuller lip volume. It's got jojoba oil, and it's got avocado oil, vitamin E, and chili pepper extract. So we're looking at something that's gonna be probably a plumper of some kind. And we've got the Star. This is Lip Arousal, and it looks like it's a nudie color, but it's one I think I'm gonna like. Okay, so it's kind of a clear nudie. I really like that. And I don't know, I have lip stuff on, so I could just try a little and see if I feel it. Ooh, it kind of gives a creamy look on. Okay, I got some chili powder on my tongue, and it is hot. It's a hot one. So anyway, it's kind of funny, but it's hotter on my tongue than my lips, but now I'm starting to feel it on my lips. So this, I really, really like this though. I really like the color. I can handle, it's a challenge. I can handle the lip plump. We'll just challenge ourselves with that. So anyway, there we go. That's the second item. And let's see, the third item I have here is, it's what it looks like. And it is a Iconic Behavior Shake Well Before Use. This is a velour liquid lipstick. So we're getting lots of lip products. I don't know if that's, if all these are going to be lip products, I don't know. Yeah, the chili, some people might have a hard time handling this. You don't want to get it on your tongue, really. Anyway, it's burning. It's burning. It's getting worse. Okay, so this one is, it says shake it. So here we go. Okay, so this one looks like just a pink color. I love the colors. These are so me. Oh, this is so fun. Look, it's like a bubblegum pink. Okay, I like that. And this feels like it's going to be like a stain, kind of a stain, or a stained lipstick. Let's see. I don't know. I'm patting it down. Gosh, it almost could be a blush too. Does that say lipstick? Did I read lipstick on there? Definitely a lip stain. Velour lipstick. Okay, Iconic Behavior. I like that. That's another fun one. Okay, the next one we have here is called Summertime Gloss. So maybe these are all going to be lip products. I think they are. You never have too many lip products though, right? I'm actually really happy with the colors and the choices here for me. So they're all things I don't have. And okay, now this one is a brown. It's Summertime Bliss. Is that what it says? Right here. Did I show the package? So there's that. And I'm going to, are you getting excited to see the, okay, this is a very dark brown. I'm not sure if I'll like this. I'm not, but I'm kind of leaning towards browns more. So I'm not going to say never on that. So this is Supreme Gloss. Yeah, anyway, so there's that. And then I have two more here. The next one we've got is, it's got the scorpion on it. You guys, I hate scorpions. They scare me so bad. We get them in Arizona. And thank goodness this last place that I moved, my forever home, does not have them. But I have lived in homes where you see them creeping around sometimes. So anyway, this right here, here's the packaging on this. I'm going to see if this is a lip gloss or something else. I'm pretty sure it's going to be lip though, since all these are lip. This is Liquid Star Shadow, so it's a shadow. Okay, I'm kind of liking that then. I have been getting more into liquid shadows. Oh, unfortunately, it's all about the wrong color. Right here, I don't wear that color. That's a bummer. Okay, there's one bummer in the bunch. And I'm bummed too because I really like liquid shadow, but I just don't see myself wearing that. And then the last thing is just called the gloss. And right here, it's not last. We have a palette coming up. My lips are still burning, by the way. They're very burning. It says 2 finishes, Glitter Fantasy and Extreme Shine. Juicy, delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. Okay, really do like this. Look at the shimmer in there. Let's see if we can get a color on here. It's very bottom here. I don't know if you can see that. It has like a glittery shine. I'm gonna try it. I only have like 3 lip products on, so. Oh, it's so pretty. I am going to be using this. I love it. I don't know if you can see the shimmer. Anyway, burning. My lips are burning. Woo! What was it? Which one was it that was so powerful? That's a liquid shadow. Was it this one? No, that was the pink. Was it this one? A lip arousal. It's got to be that. Boy, they do. That does arouse your lips. That's for sure. So, anyway, so I've got 4. We've got 5 lip products right here, which I like them all. And then we've got the eyeshadow, which I just didn't like the color. So, anyway, there's that. And so last but not least, I have a palette here. It looks like one I don't have from Jeffree. It's one I'm not even sure I'm familiar with from Jeffree. This is the Jeffree Star gold-blooded. It's not cold-blooded, it's gold-blooded. So this is going to be a golden type shadow. Okay, this is really fun. This is really fun packaging. Check that out. Looks like a gold nugget. Like, really nice. This is really nice packaging. I just take that plastic off there. Look how pretty that is. Now let's look inside. What do you think? It's gonna be tons of gold or just... Now I do have the banana palette. That has yellows in it, but I actually love that palette. This one, okay. This is beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited about this. Look at this. Look how pretty those colors are. They're so pretty. I'm going to see if I can share some of these. These are so pretty. There's the first set. Look at that. Okay. There's the second bunch. So pretty. I really, really am liking this. I don't know if you can tell on screen, but it's beautiful. Beautiful in person. pretty much all colors. I would wear every one of these colors, and that doesn't happen too often in a palette. So I'm very excited about this. Love the gold nugget style. Once again, there's all the colors, and our golden nugget here. How cute is that? So there we go. Yep. So this is our gold-blooded palette. Loving it. So it was a fun box. Sometimes I wonder if it's really worth it, but there wasn't anything I was disappointed in with this box except for the liquid eye, and it's too bad that it was like an orange color, because that's just not me. But I love all these lip products. My lips are still burning, by the way. If you can handle it, I think I don't know if my lips plumped or not, but they definitely feel it feels powerful. So I love the clear blue icy lip oil. The brown color I'm gonna try. It's kind of dark for me on my lips, but I may give that a try. I love this bubblegum pink. I love this shimmer. This one is just beautiful over any lipstick or gloss. And then this is the lip arousal right here, and it definitely does something to your lips, let me tell you. So anyway, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this little Jeffree Star haul? I'm pretty happy with it. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your support so much, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.